Have you ever tried making bread with avocado? On this video, I'm going to be sharing this interesting recipe with you guys. Trust me, you are going to love it. So watch to the end and also help me to share. What you need for this recipe is avocado. I'm going to be making use of half of it. You can as well use all if you prefer. So I'm just going to scoop it out and put into my bowl, and then next I'm going to mash it very smooth. You can use your blender for this process, or you can as well buy soft avocado so that it will be easy for you to mash it up with your spoon. So once I'm done like this, next I'm going to go in with some Greek yogurt, and then I'm going to be adding egg, oil. This is so simple to make, guys. If you're struggling on how to make bread, this recipe is simple. Try it, you will love it. So I added vanilla flavor, I added sugar, and I mixed very well to combine. So next, once I'm done mixing, I'm going to go in with self-rising flour. You can make use of the plain flour, but add baking powder or baking soda on it. So the reason why I love using self-rising flour is because no need for me to add baking powder or baking soda on it. So I mix very well like this. Next, I set aside, go in with some flour on the table, and then I'm going to knead it very, very well. This is really simple. You can do it in the comfort of your own kitchen. More especially now where bread they cost for market. You fit do this for house. So next, I'm going to cut it into smaller sizes. If you don't want to make this pattern, you can as well roll it and put it into your baking pan and bake it as one loaf of bread, okay? But me, I want to make it into smaller sizes. So I cut it into smaller sizes like you can see, and then I oil my hand, roll it, and then next I try to make it like a donut, which is totally optional, before I place it on my baking pan. Now tell me, after watching this video up to this point, does this right here look like something you're going to try this season? Trust me, you are going to love it. So next, I'm just going to place it on the baking tray, and then I'm going to use butter to butter it on top of it. Reason because I don't have eggs at home, so I would have made use of my egg white, but I don't have eggs. So feel free to use egg white if you have, and then bake in the oven. Take a look at this. Now tell me, does this right here look like something you would love to try? See how soft this bread is. And guess what? It tastes so delicious. Try it this festive season. You are going to love it. I don't know that avocado bread tastes so delicious like this. So I added a little bit of butter on it, and then the leftover avocado, I place it on top of it, and then I munch it. Oh my goodness, with a cup of hot chocolate. So lastly, I added a little bit of syrup on it. You can use honey, or you can just forget about it and just munch it like that. Take a look at this. It tastes delicious. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please help me to share this video. Bye.